Hey everyone, it's Blake Bundy here from Winning Solutions Inc. And today I will be bringing you guys another Microsoft Access Expert Template walkthrough. I will be showing you guys where to find the template database on our website, how to download the template database demo, and how to use the demo properly. Most of our templates are not designed to be used on their own. Instead, they are designed in a way that makes it simple and smooth to integrate it into an already existing database that you have already been using. You can also build a more robust Microsoft Access database that is built around one of our templates. If you would like to create a new database that is based off of one of our templates and don't know how or do not have the time to do so, let us know and we would be happy helping you with getting the database that 100% fits your needs. With most of our templates that we offer, there's 3 different versions that you can purchase. A compiled runtime version, one for internal use, and one for unlimited developer use. Our compiled runtime version is a run-as-is version without the paid full version of Microsoft Access using the free Access runtime from Microsoft. It can be integrated into your existing Access application, but you would not be able to make any modifications to the forms, the reports, the modules, etc. This option is more for those of you who do not see any need to make any customizations to the template. Our internal use version allows you to use or modify the databases however you wish within your organization. And last but not least, our unlimited developer use version allows you to use the database template however you wish for any applications you develop and distribute the template as part of a database you create. Winning Solutions Inc.'s templates have a strong advantage over shrink-wrap software that you purchase from a store or website. With our templates, you receive the source code along with your purchase, so you are able to customize and update the database as you please. With shrink-wrap software, you do not receive the source code when purchasing the software, which means that you cannot update or customize the database as you wish. In our video today, we will be working on a demo version of our database template. A demo is a simple way that you can view and try out our database templates so that you can determine if you would like to purchase it or not. This is great for customers due to the fact that all of our sales are final. Our sales are final because when we give you the source code when you purchase the template, and once we give you the source code, there is really no way that you can return the code. If you would like to test out our demos for multiple days, you are free to do so. All you have to do is leave the database open so that the data you enter will not be wiped. That is because our demos are designed so that once you close the demo, all the data that you have entered will be wiped from that database. You have to purchase the full version if you would like to save your data that you have entered. Upon downloading a demo for one of our templates, you will have to unzip the downloadable file. Zip files make it much easier to send and download large files over the web. Unzipping a file is a very simple step. All you have to do is extract the file so that you have access to the uncompressed file. If you do not know how or do not understand how to unzip a file, check out our YouTube channel and watch the How to Unzip One of Our Files video tutorial to learn this simple step. The link to that video will be in the description of this video. So now, let us get into downloading and testing out one of our templates. We're going to start off here by going to our website at microsoftaccessexpert.com. As you can see, I have been here before. On the top of our website, there's going to be a toolbar with all the various ways that you are able to contact Winning Solutions Inc. You're going to want to click on the sidebar button on the left side of our homepage that is labeled Database Templates for Sale. A sublist then opens up and you need to select the Database Templates List button to view the list of all of our templates that we offer. The list is broken up into categories. The different categories that we currently have are our most popular ones, appointment and scheduling databases, calendars databases, reservations and booking databases, contact and communications databases, task management databases, equipment and maintenance tracking databases, sales databases, employee databases, education databases, small business databases, and last but not least, database tools and miscellaneous templates. And today we're going to be taking a look at the Microsoft Access Irrigation Appointment Tracking Database. So you're going to want to scroll up here and you're going to want to go to our appointment and scheduling section. And you're going to want to click on the Access Irrigation Appointment Tracking Database. So go ahead and click that. Once that loads, you're going to want to download the demonstration that correctly corresponds with the version of Access that you're running on. So I'm going to go ahead and download this one. Once it downloads begins and finishes, go ahead and open it. Once you've opened it, you're going to want to extract all the files. So just go ahead and hit extract. And once you've extracted all that file, you're going to want to go ahead and open the file. And with all of our database templates, since they do come from the web, your computer views it as a potential security risk or warning. Now, I can assure you that this database template is safe, so I'm going to go ahead and continue on and open the database. And along with all of our database templates, you get a pop-up box that shows all the different ways that you can contact us. Feel free to contact us whenever you'd like. However, I'm just going to go ahead and close out of this for now. And so what this database template would be good for is if you own such an irrigation company or something like that and you needed to keep you need to keep track of all your appointments, your contacts, and all that good stuff. However, if you like this database template but you don't own specifically an irrigation company, you can contact Winning Solutions Inc. and we can customize the database template to make it compatible for any company that you have. So we're going to start off this demonstration by we're going to create a new customer. I'm just going to create a fake one. We'll go Bill White. And I'm not going to fill out all this information, but I will fill out a few sections. So I'm going to put in an email, and I'll put in a phone number, why not? But as you can see, you can fill out a lot of information. You can fill out their address for their business, for their home, their IM address, their web page address, a bunch of different types of phone numbers. They have a lot here, as you can see. And you can even fill out notes, their call history, your appointment history, and your payment history, as well as a job title and a picture of the customer. So this is a pretty detailed section. You can fill out a lot of stuff. However, I'm just going to fill out this stuff for now for the sake of the demonstration. I'm going to go ahead and click Save and Close now. And now I can actually search for that customer. So I can search with all these different criteria. I'm just going to make it easy. I'm going to search by the last name, White, and there's a customer, Bill White. Test.test.com is his email, and you can actually double click the record to view it and or to edit it. However, we are not going to edit anything now, but as you can see, we got all this stuff still here. You can even put in a picture, like I said. You can edit any of the information. We are not going to do that for now, so just going to go to close that, close out of this. So now we're going to make an appointment. So if you view the schedule calendar, as you can see it in daily form, weekly form, monthly form. I'll show you what the monthly form looks like. But we're going to go with the daily form, and we're going to create a new appointment for today. And we're going to make one from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. So just go ahead and double click that. We're going to make our customer Bill White. Our employee on the job is person 1. And the type, we're going to put service. And just make it easy, we'll put location 1. And now I'm going to go ahead and change the time from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. And as you can see, if you're going to have multiple employees or workers work on a project, you can actually put in multiple workers. We'll put person 2, person 3, and etc. And you can even fill out the payment information, how they're going to pay for the appointment that you have. So it's pretty detailed. And I'm actually going to select a custom color for this. I'm going to just make it orange. And the reason being is that it makes it orange here, but it also makes it orange on the calendar. So if I were to have a bunch of appointments back to back to back, it would be hard to tell which time they are and how they're separated. Now, if we change the color for each one, it'd be really organized. You could really tell. Like I went from 8 to 9, 9 to 9:30, 9:30 to 10:15, and it'd be color coded, so it'd look really organized. Go ahead and save and close that. As you can see, service at location 1. I'll show you what it looks like in the monthly view. There we go. So pretty cool. And you can even view the schedule by day. So if you have a ton of appointments on a specific day, or maybe you just want to know a ton of appointments in certain locations, you can search for that. And this would be really helpful. So like I said, if you had a bunch of appointments in one day and you wanted just a list of them instead of looking at the calendar, this would be really helpful and keep it all organized. So this is a pretty detailed database. It's pretty handy. So I'm going to go ahead and thank you guys for taking your time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert Template Walkthrough brought to you by Winning Solutions Inc. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please feel free to subscribe or like our YouTube channel for tons of other walkthroughs and tutorials. As always, feel free to contact us for any of your IT needs, whether it be programming that you need, you want to buy a template, you want to customize a template, anything. Feel free to contact us whenever you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to post our contact information in the description below of this video. Also, you can find us on about any social media website. Feel free to follow us or like us on there. We post quite frequently. Once again, thank you guys for taking the time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough, and have a great day.